Back in the day, Conrail had a maintenance away facility here with a siding along the main. And over the years, it got a bit delinquent. Their sign faded on the side of the building. The tracks became overgrown. And eventually, Province and Worcester took over the trackage. And they started to repurpose that maintenance away facility. Cleaned it up a bit, left the outbuilding semi-abandoned, but they occupied the main building. Got all the lights working, buttoned up the fencing, and they started to use that regularly for maintenance. And they hired, in the process, Herzog to do some contract work. And then over time, Railworks set up shop across from the main, and they began doing contract work for Province and Worcester. And the two facilities then became linked with a private rail crossing. And the great news for the Yard Cafe was business started to spike because the rail workers started to come in on a regular basis. So that allowed them to do some work and fix up their signage and relight the sign above the door. And business has been booming ever since. So P&W has a diesel fueling area for their maintenance away equipment and trucks. And normally on that siding, they'll have maintenance away equipment, a flatbed, a gondola with rail ties, and an OTM tracker. Right now you see their old, rusted up, potable water tank car, and some construction equipment in the lot. There's a derailleur on the siding with a blue flag that protects any equipment that's on that siding, since it is adjacent to the main line. So all in, it's a fairly sizable facility where they do everything from ballast to rail tie replacement, storage of rail ties, new and used, storage of ballast, removal of ballast. They also have a path there where they can get maintenance away equipment onto the track. They've got welding equipment, air compressors, tools in that shed, and more heavy machinery is inside that building in the background. Railworks. And they've got a flatbed where they can load and unload maintenance away equipment. A lot of the maintenance away equipment that normally sits on the siding is off doing work, and you can see some of it on the main line there. And I'll just take you for a quick walk through Province and Worcester and show you some of the other maintenance away equipment. And this is a real example of how they use that facility. They take this equipment from the facility and bring it onto location where it needs to be used. And the crew does their thing. We've got a tie shear. We've got a tie remover and replacer. This is very similar. It can go on road or rail, and it works the ties. So back to the maintenance away facility. becomes an area that adds visual interest, but also could add operational realism as well, because you can switch out maintenance away equipment, bring it onto the main line, do work, bring it back. That is just one piece, small piece of this miniature world. I hope you enjoyed that. Cheers.